Kioneki kia Kenya makiria gutambiria thitima micini yao kugerera mubango wa Utambia wa thitima wa last mile connectivity ni warahuritwo thutha wa thirikari gwikiranira ngirimiti cia muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 27 iria ikuhuthika gutambia thitima county-ini 32.
And currently signing is Singh Vinod Kumar.
Kuringana na mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto uria kwaragia hindi ya gwikiranirwo kwa ngirimiti ici thingire-ini wa iregi augite mubango uyu ni ukwarahura gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
Been a transformative initiative whose ambition complements the bottom-up economic transformation agenda by extending electricity grid to rural and underserved areas. The last mile connectivity project is not only effectively bridging the development gap between urban and rural communities, but it has also effectively raised the overall rate of national productivity across sectors by facilitating the uptake of efficient technology.
President yogereire kuga Utambia wa thitima ici ugutwarana na Utambia wa mitambo ya gutambia internet ya fiber nigukinyiria muingi uhoti wa kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria matura-ini kuria mari kuono na motungata mothe ma thirikari riu maraheanwo kugerera mitambo ya digital.
We must deliver connectivity, and we have made a conscious decision that we are now going to leverage on the network that Kenya Power has of transmission lines across Kenya for us to deliver last mile connectivity to the internet, because we are moving to the digital space. We are moving our government services to the digital space. We have ICT hubs that are coming up across Kenya.
President yogereire kuga Kenya igine mekuguneka ica ikuhi wona miario gatagati ga Kenya na bururi wa Saudi Arabia yarika kuria makiria ma micii 280 megutambirio thitima. Miario ya president nyititwo baru ni minister wa hinya wa kuhuthika Davis Chirchir na mwandiki mukaru wake Alex Wachira.
If we can cut cost and connect more, 100, you did talk about 280,000 connections. I did look at what Ken, the gentleman in charge of this program, has done, and we have already optimized, and we are almost hitting a target of 300,000 for this amount. I'm sure we can stretch and even get more connections. And Your Excellency, the difference between the last mile connection and building infrastructure in roads is we touch people's lives. This power goes to the people's homes.
Your Excellency, electricity is part of the SDG number 7. That is a commitment to give Kenyans access to reliable power.
Theine wa ngirimiti ici makiria ma micii 280 ni gutambirio thitima theine wa ihinda ria mieri 18 yukite kumana na uteithio wa kimbeca uria uheanitwo ni urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Rũraya o ũndũ ũmwe na bũrũri wa Faranja. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.